Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hubspot for email marketing. First, navigate to the Marketing tab in your Hubspot portal and select Email. This is your central hub for all email activities. You'll find options to create new emails, manage existing ones, and review performance metrics. We'll cover setting up your first campaign step by step, ensuring you grasp the fundamental workflow for effective communication with your audience. To build your first email, start by selecting a template from HubSpot's extensive library. These templates are designed for various purposes, from newsletters to promotional offers. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add text, images, and calls to action. Remember to personalize your emails. Using contact properties like a recipient's first name can significantly boost engagement rates and make your messages feel more direct and impactful. Effective email marketing relies on smart audience segmentation. Create targeted contact lists within HubSpot based on demographics, behavior, or engagement history. This ensures your messages reach the most relevant recipients. Once your email is ready, schedule it for a time when your audience is most likely to open it. After sending, dive into HubSpot's analytics to track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics to refine future campaigns. To truly optimize your email marketing, consider /B testing different elements like subject lines or calls to action. Even small changes can lead to significant improvements in engagement. Also, leverage HubSpot's automation features to set up email sequences for lead nurturing or onboarding new customers. This saves time and ensures consistent communication. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.